Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Uh, okay, in today's video, I will start showing you how you can use the MS Paint for basic usage. So let's get started. Let me start recording my screen.
Yeah, this is the basic screen for Paint and for MS Paint, and let's explore some of the options which are available over here. Let's get started. So, what I have done first is I have just taken a picture and I will also give you a brief tutorial for the snipping tool as well, how we can use it, and what are the various options we can use with the snipping tool. So let's get started. So this pic is there. I will click on copy, and so I have copied that pic and I will paste it over here. So for pasting, use Ctrl V. So let's explore what all we can do with this. Okay. First is suppose you don't want this picture to be this small, you want to enlarge it. So you can see this these white small square boxes at the edges. So you can drag it to make it large, and so it got enlarged. And now let's explore what all options we can do it over here. Suppose I want to write something over here. I want to write something. So basically uh, this is the text option, and click on this, and then just drag with your mouse, and you can just select an area and then release the mouse. So now you have this. Now you can type something over here. Okay. So now let's see the text options for this. So I'll copy this and I'll select it. Sorry, I'll select it. And now uh, font family. Let's go to the font family. Suppose you want to change the way of how the text is written, you can select any of these options from the drop down. Okay, whichever option you want, you can select it. And coming to these three options, first is bold. So it will your text will become bold. Second is, okay, now it's already bold. Let's undo it. Okay, if I want to make it bold, okay, previously it was not in bold. Next is italics. So you need to keep this text selected actually, and then go to italic. So then this is the way your text changes, and then go to underline. U is for underline, so it gets underlined. And this is strike through. I'll show you this, but let me first remove underline. Okay, so this is strike through, and your text will get striked over like this. Next is your size of the text. So you can increase it. Okay, you can increase, and you can even put your own number over here. Suppose 60. So okay, if you do this, you are seeing that the text is it's like it got cut. So what you can do is you can drag it and you can see the text. Okay. Next is, okay, let me make it a bit smaller. Okay, now coming to the color of the text. Okay, so let me select it again, and if you want to change the color of the text, you can just change it from here. Okay, purple, blue, pink. Okay, you can change it from here. Now let's see something else. Now there is one more thing, which is edit colors. Go to edit colors. Okay, this maybe I will be able to show you in something else. Maybe if I write something else, it will be more clear actually. So what we can do with this is, these are the basic colors, okay, which you are seeing over here. And these are the colors which you can edit actually. So you can see this, right? Color, solid. Initially, if you move it up, it would be lighter, and then the shade will get darker as you go down. So if I went down, this is it. Okay, I'll keep it like this. Select on OK. Okay, so now you can see this ice cream, previously it was red and now it became a bit darker, and the same color will come to this color one. Okay, you can see that the color changed from red to this dark red. So you can do this with edit colors. Next is, okay, let's see something else. So the text option, I think it's more or less covered. I have covered the text option. And okay, so these were the font family and these are done. Now opaque. Okay, so this, the initial one was transparent and this is opaque. I'll show this opaque. Okay, so the background becomes opaque in this, and for this the transparent background is there. Okay, so we can explore this option over here actually. Let me type something over here. Okay, so you can see how it changed. You can see how it changed. Okay, this is the difference between opaque and transparent option. Let me undo it. For undoing it, you need to click on Ctrl Z. Okay, now what else can we, there are lots of things actually which we can play around with this. And now you will not be able to make any changes to this text actually. Okay, because it's already done. Now you can see this difference. Okay, if I write something again, see, if you click on opaque, it will show you opaque background, and transparent will basically, transparent is something which, with which you can see through, and opaque is something which you cannot see through. Okay, so I'll show you the difference. I'll show you the difference over here. Now opaque is selected. Okay, okay, now, and okay, I'll show it over here actually. I already showed it previously, so it will become something like this. And do Control Z. Control Z is for undo. So if I again select on transparent, so you can see that the background will remain the same. Okay, and it is writing on top of it. So this is the difference between opaque and transparent. I hope you got it. And what else can we check with the text option? So text option, the color part is done, then this is done, opaque transparent is done. Okay, so I'll cover the other parts of this MS Paint tutorial in my next videos. And if this tutorial was useful for you, then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.